Military transport aircraft are the backbone of airlift in all the air forces around the world. They ensure speedy transportation of troops and materials where it is required. The Indian Air Force has a vast fleet of heavy, medium and light transport aircraft. That includes the Lockheed Martin C-17 Globemaster III, Illusion IL-76, C-130 Hercules and many more. Before the advent of Lockheed Martin C-17 Globemaster III, the IL-76 was the backbone of the Indian Air Force heavy lift capability. Made by the former Soviet Union, 17 of these planes were inducted into the Indian Air Force and served India well. They took part in many operations, including the Kargil War, and also several other operations. India also operates 6 other derivatives of IL-76, including Illusion IL-78 Midas mid-air refuelers and 3 A-50EI AWACS. But now these planes are aging and need replacement. India had inducted Lockheed Martin C-17 Globemaster III in 2010, but with only 11 aircraft inducted, they are few and far between to fulfill the commitments of the Indian Air Force. Thus, the Indian Air Force requires a replacement for its fleet of IL-76, Illinois, 78 and A-50EI AWACS. But the problem that IAF faces is that there are only very few options available. As the production line of C-17 is already closed by Lockheed Martin, the logical alternative ought to be the new IL-76 MD-90, the newest derivative of the IL-76. But India's recent experience with Russian weapons, including shortage of spare parts, makes it highly unlikely for India to pursue that course. The other aircraft of comparable lift capability is the Chinese Xi'an Y-20. That is not an option for IAF to consider due to the animosity between the two countries. Xi'an Y-20 and lessons for India. PLAF had also reached the same stage and was staring at a replacement for their IL-76. But various factors forced them to go the indigenous way, and the final product is the Xi'an Y-20. The plane has proved its worth, with the PLAF participating in several long-distance deployments with heavy airlift. Lessons for India. As the countdown begins for the replacement for IL-76 with IAF fleet, it is time for India to pursue indigenous development. HAL, with collaboration from private players, is capable of developing a heavy lift aircraft. Challenges are many, but we have to pursue that option. In tone with Atmanirbhar, India should pursue such an endeavor. The plane can also be converted for aerial refueling and AWACS roles. It is time to set the process in motion so that the plane will be ready by the time IL-76 leave the IAF fleet.